Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to Infinite Beauty channel. Today I'm here to show you how to sew in your Abuja lines. If you're new here, remember to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you and welcome back. So for this style you need your Abuja lines already braided, you need a thread and a weaving needle. And if you want to know how to make these Abuja braids, you can go to my other video where I make my Abuja lines for sewing. And also if you want to know how to make these cornrows like the ones I have here on this dummy, you can go to my other video on how to make cornrows. In this video here I'm going to be sewing in 2 Abuja lines. We're going to be starting with the first one, and after I finish this we're going to be doing the last one, so that you can at least see more of me doing it. So if you like these videos, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let's get on with it. So remember guys, if there's any style, any pattern you want to create on the head, you have to do it before you start stitching your head, especially while you are cornrowing, and also be gentle with the hair. This is a very lightweight protective hairstyle and it lasts for quite some time. Also please don't leave it stay on the head for too long. Remove it, wash your hair, clean it up, go ahead and do your natural hair routine or your normal hair routine, and treat your hair well. And you can put another protective hairstyle after this one, or you can let your hair rest for a bit. But these kinds of hairstyles make your hair grow stronger and grow faster. So if you like more of these videos, just remember to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified whenever I post.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain.
So that's it guys. If you like more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever I post. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.